Okay, and the last step here is just talking about the investment and a clear call to action. You should be able to just do this piece on your own. It's basically you just want to know, you want to let potential clients know what the investment is, or at least a ballpark. I mean, you don't have to, but I think if you want people to reach out for you, generally people like to just have an idea of what the cost is before they're going to do that. So there's some different ways that you can phrase that here. I've given you as an example. And then you want to follow it up with some sort of call to action. You want to tell them very clear on what the next step is that you want them to take. And because this is a sales post, then it is going to be about reaching out to work with you or clicking through to, to join, to go straight to a sales page, to book some time in a calendar. So whatever it is, you could use these as a starting point. And all you need to do with these is they just go here under your investment and call to action. And it just looks like something like that. So if you don't get that done over the course of this workshop, that's fine, because I'm pretty sure you can just go and do that in your own time.